Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you a pair of light stands that are outstanding. And I'm referring to these E-Mart light stands right here. Now, a couple of features of this light stand that I absolutely love is the support on the base. Now, if you take a quick look at the base, you're going to quickly realize that it's massive, it's supportive, it's sturdy, and you can adjust it. So if you wanted something wider or a little bit more narrow, you can just adjust it with ease and just tighten up the switch right there. Another thing that I love about it is that they're spring loaded. And by that, I mean like that. So you know that it's gonna support whatever you put on it. So it's fantastic. And they're heavy duty. I mean, you're getting a big bang for your buck on these pair. They do not come with the light, like I said, but for showing purposes, I installed one already. This is one of my studio lights that I use, and as you can see, it's well supported. I love it. I love this pair of light stands. These are fantastic, and that's my point of view.